What's up guys, it's Patrick from the Haunted Side. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to modify the SB7 Spirit Box to make it a lot more credible, and it actually emulates the one they use on Ghost Adventures. So stick around if you wanna learn how to do that. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so let's show you how to modify the SB7 Spirit Box. First off, let's open up, make sure there are no batteries in there. You will need a precision screwdriver, a Phillips head, and a flathead. Two little guys like this. So the first thing you want to do is this gray piece right here that says Spirit Box. It's actually a sticker, and if you come in with a flathead, just on the corner down here, you can just pop that little sticker off like this, and you'll see two screws here and then the light where the actual LED comes on to show you that it's powered on. So we're going to take the screwdriver, take out the first one and the second one here. Okay, flip it over. When you open the battery pack, you'll see right here there are two extra screws. Let's go ahead and take those two screws off. Okay. All right, now be careful when you're taking this off because there's actually two little latches up here that damage pretty easily. So start from the bottom and just kind of open it like that. And then you'll actually open the whole box. So now when you're looking at it, you can see a lot of the power and the sweep rate and all that stuff, the buttons here. This piece of coil right here and then this little guy down here is actually the AM antenna. I don't really ever use the AM setting, so I'm going to leave that one alone. But what we're interested in is this guy up here, which is the actual FM antenna, which is connected by a screw down here. So what we're going to want to do is remove that so that we can cut a lot of the radio interference out. So there's two screws that hold the actual LED light panel, and so we're going to want to move these up a little bit. Don't take them all the way out, just enough that you can kind of lift that board up. So about right there, just enough that whenever I come down to this screw here and I take this one out completely, I can just kind of lift the antenna out. So now the antenna's gone. That's what we wanted. Now let's go ahead and tighten this one back. Let's tighten this one back. All right, and then put the face back on. Remember these little latches up here. Going to want to latch them up on the top there. Clicks in. Go ahead and put this screw in. Put this one back in. Move over to the front. Put the front screw in. The second front screw. All right. And now we'll put the sticker back on. And voila, no antenna on the top. So now let's go ahead and put some batteries in here and I'll let it run a sweep to show you that there shouldn't be any radio interference now, which is one of the big things that skeptics would say is that, oh, that was just a radio coming through. All right, guys, so I plugged in my little external speaker here. The antenna has been removed. Let's go ahead and turn the Spirit Box on. I'm going to turn off the backlight so you can see it. And then let's cycle through from 87.5 all the way up and then back down to 87.5 and listen for any radio interference. All right, and there you have it, modified SB7 Spirit Box. Since you're not picking up any radio frequency now, when you do capture a voice through here, it is going to be a lot more credible. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, please like it if you enjoyed it, and make sure that if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos like this one, and I've got investigations coming up in some of the world's most haunted locations. So give that subscribe button a click. See you guys next time.